Let's delve into the seamless process of sending cash through the Tyme application. To begin, ensure that you have the latest version of the Tyme app installed on your mobile device. Utilize your login credentials to access your Tyme account effortlessly. Once logged in, navigate to the section within the app that pertains to transactions, payments, or transfers, which might be labeled differently depending on the app's interface. Once you've located the relevant section, you may find an option specifically designated as cash send or a similar term. Select this option and proceed to input the necessary details of the recipient, such as their mobile number or email address associated with their Tyme account. Be sure to specify the precise amount of cash you intend to send. Before finalizing the transaction, take a moment to review all the provided details to ensure accuracy. Some apps may incorporate a confirmation step to mitigate potential errors. Following the verification process, depending on the app's security measures, you might need to authenticate the transaction using a PIN, password, or biometric verification method. Upon successful authentication and confirmation of all transaction details, proceed to complete the cash send transaction. Both you and the recipient may receive notifications or confirmations of the transaction, which are valuable to retain for your records. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to execute a cash send through the Tyme application.